We heard screaming in the hallway. We heard a woman's voice screaming. You have lied to us already.
No, I did not.
Shut up.
What started as an argument over a cigarette quickly escalated into a call to the police. On May 17th, just before 10 p.m., officers with the Arlington Heights Police Department responded to a reported domestic disturbance after neighbors said they could hear a woman screaming from a nearby apartment. When officers arrived, they began investigating what had happened and attempting to locate the individuals involved. What appeared to be a relatively minor dispute would soon turn into a much more complicated encounter.
Police department, can you open the door? Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you?
Where's your girlfriend at?
She doesn't live here.
She doesn't live here?
No, she does not.
Who's in the room? Can you call him?
Come here.
Who else is in here? All right. Sounded like a girl talking.
No, but he does sound like a girl.
I didn't mean it like that, but okay.
How you doing? That's it?
Is it just you two?
Yes.
You don't mind if we go in there and check?
No, you're not going to win.
Actually,
Okay.
we are
For
going
what?
to because we heard screaming when we were out here.
What screaming?
You're out of breath.
We just
right
want to
now.
make sure that...
That's screaming. So why don't you...
I wasn't, yeah, we were just joking around, me and him.
Yeah. Okay. Well, then it wouldn't mind if we made sure no one's hurting here.
And then we'll leave.
Sir.
And then we'll leave.
No, you don't need to come in because I know what's going on.
Hold on.
Okay, hold up.
Yes.
So this is what's going to happen.
Yeah, what's going to happen?
We know that this is registered. Yeah.
Yeah.
You're wrong. This is my apartment.
Lived here?
No. Number,
Okay. Has she ever been here?
has she ever been here? She lived here.
We want to make sure that no one's there,
Nobody's
no one
here.
get in trouble, and then we're going to head out.
Why would you guys mess with me like that?
No one's messing with
No
you.
one's
Because you guys know where
Yesterday.
she lived. She lived downstairs.
Memorize everyone's addresses.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah,
But
that
this
was
is
off
my
the
address.
list of things to do.
I got my ID.
Okay, that's nice.
We don't show up here with.
See here, she had no right
So
to be
if
here.
she's not here,
I
then
don't
you
even know
don't
her
mind
like
if we
that.
step in there real quick
No,
to
you're
make
not
sure
going
no
to
one's
step in
there?
here, but she is not here. She does not live here. I don't even
Where
get
is she
along
then?
with it. I don't know.
Okay.
We're conducting an investigation.
So it's just you and your friend that's here?
Yes.
Dude, we heard screaming.
There was no screaming. We were just talking. He's so loud. Look at his ear because he can't hear.
Okay,
He's got
well,
one
your
ear missing.
your neighbors heard screaming.
No, they did not.
Yes, they did.
No, they did not.
There's 5 of us here,
Yeah.
and we heard a girl say what when we knocked on the door.
There was no girl. That's him. Look at his ear.
Are you BSing?
No,
That's,
I'm
that's
not.
who?
Here.
You got an ID?
I sure do.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
Is it going to say this address?
Huh?
Is it going to say this address?
Yeah.
Okay. Here's what's happening.
Yes.
There's a girl in here. We all heard it. He just confirmed it. We're going to come in to make
A
sure
girl?
she's okay. A girl? Yeah. Or a woman, a female.
No.
Another person besides you two. We are going to make sure she's not okay, or that she's okay.
Is there a warrant?
Hey,
Is there a warrant?
Dude, your friend just told us.
I'm
man.
not going to let you guys run around me because I didn't do anything wrong. There was no reason for you guys to come in here. This is my place, and I gave you my ID. This is my place.
Yeah, there's a.
yes.
Gotta make sure everybody's okay.
Everybody's okay. There's
Then
nobody
have her
here.
come out and we'll check on her. We don't need to.
There's nobody here. There's nobody here that was hurt.
That's not what I said. Have her come out so we can check on her. Then we don't have to.
I
come
don't
in.
have to do that. There's nobody here.
Yeah, you listen, man. Here's what's happening.
What's happening?
We came here for a disturbance. Neighbor called and said that
A neighbor called.
stop talking so I can explain. You asked me a question, I'm trying to answer. You talking over me is not going to help, will it? We heard screaming in the hallway. We heard a woman's voice screaming. You have lied to us already.
No, I did not.
Shut up.
Don't tell me to shut up. Who are you?
Please be quiet then.
Thank
you
you.
said there was no woman
Have
in here.
respect.
Okay, then respect back and don't lie.
I'm
There's
not
a woman
lying.
in here. Is there a woman in your
Who
apartment?
called? Who called?
Is
There's
there a
no
woman
chicken
in your
here.
apartment? Yes or
No. There is not a woman in my apartment.
He already.
Hey, when? Who's here?
We heard her screaming.
That was.
Hey,
Who
if
is
there's-
it?
Hey, if there's a woman in there, please call out to us or come out so we can make sure you're okay.
There is no woman here.
No, yeah, we got.
No, you don't have to
Yes, you
check.
do.
There is no right,
gotta check,
legal
man.
right for you to come into my apartment because nobody called, because there was no screaming here. That's it. You guys should just say that.
Right. Right.
You can't.
We came here because we were so bored, and then we heard screaming. You said it was him screaming.
Who called you in the first
We
place?
don't need to tell you that.
Right, exactly.
Hey, if there's a woman in this apartment, can you come out just so we can make sure you're okay?
There's no woman in this apartment. Listen to his voice and listen to it. He doesn't want to be embarrassed about him sounding like a woman?
Right.
But
Doesn't
he
sound
has
like
to.
a woman to me.
Well, he does when he does.
Then why won't you let us come in and check?
Because this is my apartment. I did not call you guys, and I'm sick of the police being here.
And we're sick
Well,
of
there's a
being
reason
here, but
why
we have
we're
to
here.
keep
And
coming.
these calls are never on me.
Well, there's a reason why we're here, man. And we
Then
heard
what's the
someone
reason?
screaming.
There was no screaming
Okay,
here.
if no one's there,
There was
then
no
we're gonna
screaming
leave,
here.
and then we're gonna leave.
There was no
one's
screaming here.
We heard it.
There was no screaming here. There was no screaming here. I swear on my Doug Mullen's life, there was no screaming here. Me and him, we just got back too. And we're not the only ones that fight. They fight.
Who fights?
Right across the hall. They scream a lot too.
How often have the police been here?
How many times? A lot.
For what?
Other people.
I thought you lived here.
I do live here, but it's for the other people screaming and yelling and the main. She's the one who moved out. She used to live here with me. I'm not hiding anything, but I'm just like, I'm not going to be pushed around anymore by like other
No
people.
one's
This
gonna
is my
push you
home.
around. You're making this complicated.
I'm not making it.
Yes, you are.
Really?
Well, yeah, but how are you going to hold? Why are you going to take my ID though?
No, I'm not gonna take it. I'm just we gotta document who we're talking to at the end of the day.
Yeah,
So I'm
that's
gonna
fine.
need it at the end of the day. But at the end of the day, bro, like we just gotta make sure someone's okay.
Nobody's hurt.
I'm not saying someone's hurt, but someone said that someone was screaming, and we heard a woman in here. 5 of us did, and your
Yeah.
friend is confirming it. So now it's 6v1. It's 6 of us hearing it, plus
There's
someone
nobody else here.
confirming who was in the apartment that there's a woman inside.
No, I'm
And
sick
now
of these
no-
allegations.
And now no one's answering.
What do you mean nobody's answering? I answered.
Yeah, but initially when we got here, we heard a female say what, and
I
now
did.
there's no female saying
It
anything.
was not a female saying what. That is not.
All right.
I know.
Hey,
I didn't
here's
do
what's gonna
anything.
happen.
What's going to happen?
We all heard a female scream.
There's no female.
Stop
Listen,
talking.
listen.
We need to check because none of us have been in your apartment. So, well, listen to me. He said there's a woman still in there.
What are you
Stop
talking
talking,
about?
please.
Like,
So we are going to go in and check to make sure.
How-
that's where
where's
we're
the
going.
warrant?
We don't need a warrant. Exigent circumstances.
no, this is not
If you block us, we're going to arrest you.
going to arrest me.
Okay. Grab him.
Come on.
Go ahead.
No,
Come on,
just
put
wait,
your
just
hands
wait,
on
just
your-
wait, just wait.
Put your back.
Now you're coming
Too late for that.
You're going to be detained right now. Put him in cuffs.
You're being detained right now, okay?
Hey, if there's someone here, it's the police. We're going to check on your well-being. Savas, could you take him in the hallway with?
Why are you going through my house?
You got him?
Making sure no one is in here. Here, it's the police. We're going to check on your well-being. Savas, could you take him in the hallway with?
Why are you going through my house?
I'm making sure no one is in here.
This is not right. This is not right. You guys have no right to go through my house.
After a quick search of the apartment, a female was found hiding in the bathroom.
Dude, I was looking up for my friend. She's not hurt. She's got a warrant. That's why.
Why didn't you just say that, bro? Because
Because
now you're in this
you know-
predicament. You don't
That's
gotta.
it.
There's
You know, you
five-
stick up for your friend too, right?
I get it, but bro, there's 5 of us here, and there's someone else saying there's a woman in here. You could just
Yeah,
not,
but she
you
was
could avoid
in,
this
she
whole
was seen.
situation.
She was seen.
Okay.
She's seen.
Here's the thing.
Yes.
I've already talked to him. I know exactly what you guys were yelling about. You guys were yelling about a cigarette.
Well,
this is not even the end of the world.
yelling, but
But you were yelling loud enough that we're showing up here like this. We don't show up here just for nothing, right?
yeah, but we weren't even yelling though.
You were yelling loud enough that people complained and people called. Then when we got here, we still heard yelling. Okay? So,
She was singing.
so the reason that we're in this predicament is because all we needed to do was verify, hey, everyone's okay? We get everyone's statement? That would have been the end of it.
Okay.
What
was just
doesn't
trying to
get us
help
to the
her
end
out.
what doesn't get us to the end of it is preventing lying and doing everything else. That gets us nowhere.
Okay. I was just trying to help her. That's it. Because you know what she has a warrant for is stupid. And she has had problems. Okay, when you get to take her, she needs doctors. I'm telling you, she won't. You'll see the way she
How
talks.
long have been living here?
About a month.
About a month.
Yeah.
Just gonna stay here with you because right now
I know.
you are detained by us. You are in cuffs. So I know you said you're not gonna run. You
No,
were
I'm not.
sitting against the wall.
Can I stand? But yeah, I'm not going.
So what was the initial yelling about?
There was no yelling.
Okay.
There wasn't.
Disagreement about.
There wasn't. Oh, the cigarette, because I asked her, I just wanted to take a couple puffs and then take it, because I only had one. And that was it.
So it was the last cigarette.
Yeah.
You wanted to take a couple off before she took it
Yeah.
to go
Yeah.
and smoke it.
Yeah. That was it. And it wasn't even arguing, we were just like, I was just trying to say it to her, and she doesn't listen.
Okay. During that argument, nothing was physical.
No.
You guys didn't fight over the cigarette.
No. No. We were actually laughing.
After locating the female suspect hiding inside the bathroom, the officer began questioning her about the situation. During the investigation, he quickly discovered that she had multiple active warrants for her arrest.
Shocked I was to find a female hiding in the bathroom where there was no female
I
in the
explained
apartment.
why I did that.
Oh, okay. Well, I'll ask them later why you did it because we were trying to figure things out, okay? But here's the problem now. So you're going to be getting arrested, too.
Why?
You're obstructing a domestic violence investigation.
It's domestic violence.
So please listen. When we came here,
Yeah.
we all stated very clearly why we were here,
Yeah.
our concerns, the exigent circumstances we had. It's all on body camera.
I didn't- yeah.
Excuse me, where you refused multiple times, lied about the female that we heard scream be here.
But
And
you
when,
don't-
excuse me, when I told you that if you did not move, you would be arrested, I believe your words, I'd have to go back verbatim, but I believe they were, go ahead, arrest me.
I did say that.
You did say that. So,
Please
I'm a man of
don't
honor.
listen to me, Please.
No.
Please.
You know why?
Why?
Because imagine if next time she was dead inside and you're like, you know what, the last time
No,
the
I'm
police
not
didn't
like
check
that. I
on her.
don't do them.
Well, something happened today.
Nothing happened. Though. Ask her.
Okay, so it's
Ask him.
every time I try to talk, you
Yeah.
just interrupt anything, okay?
Sorry.
That's why before, I know you didn't like the words I used, and I apologize, but I asked you to let me talk a few times. You refused. That did get your attention. And I'll change my tone right back. I don't need to be mean to you, but I'm trying to talk to you. You're just not listening, right? So,
Please don't.
there, it is what it is, man. We delayed.
I didn't do anything.
Check.
man.
See, you're doing it again. So it is what it is. You're just going to be getting arrested. And if you want to listen, I have no problem explaining it again and giving you the paperwork that's going to show it. All right? But for right now, I'm going to be done explaining myself to you, and we're going to go handle what's in here. All right? So do you have keys to your apartment? You'll be getting out tonight, but I want to make sure that you can secure it and nothing happens. Unless you just want this guy to stay in there.
You're gonna give me another. I didn't do anything.
Well,
at all.
hold
Come
on. That's blaming. See, I'm not going to give you anything. You did it to yourself.
I didn't do anything.
Yes,
though.
you,
What
yes,
did
you
some
did.
law
You
that I
obstructed our
broke?
investigation.
How did I do that? This is my home that I was protecting, though.
You lied to us about the female we heard screaming being in the bathroom.
She wasn't screaming, though.
Just riddle
I
me-
want to
rid-
know where
rid-
this,
riddle me
this is coming from.
How would all of us even assume a female was in here, right? I don't know if there's a female in 407.
Ask her if
I'm not going to ask her anything.
If there was
We're gonna-
any
okay.
domestic.
You guys got him?
Because
that's
there
cool.
is no domestic.
All right, yeah, thanks,
though.
man. I tried. All right.
There is no domestic. I didn't do anything. I didn't do a damn thing. No, I'm just I did not do anything. She's my friend, and she can even vouch I didn't do anything. How can I be arrested on domestic? When I did not do anything.
So you're not being arrested for domestic battery? And you're not being, like, the charge that you're being placed with is
Yeah.
for the interfering with the
I didn't
investigation.
interfere, though. I was saying you cannot come into my house.
Can you guys take him down and put him in the car really quick,
Yeah.
and then we'll get her going?
All right.
Well, this is my apartment. I want to lock up my apartment.
I
I want to make sure everybody's out.
So there's more people in here or no?
No, I want to make sure you and her are out.
Yeah, we will do that, but we're not going to let you guys cross
So
paths talk right now.
you took over my apartment.
I don't know what you're trying to say.
I would like you guys, everybody out of my apartment.
Yeah,
We
we'll-
can, we can
Before I
walk
leave.
him to the end of the hallway.
That's fine. Where are your keys? I asked you before where your keys were.
I'm going to lock my apartment.
Hey, look, man.
Well, can I?
I'm going to get you in court because I didn't do anything wrong.
Okay, yeah, you just obstructed our investigation.
No, I did not.
Okay, okay. All right.
No, I did not.
Okay. And we won't worry about anything.
I will get you. You're the freaking asshole, dude.
Okay, I'm sorry.
I hate you. I'm going to look up every inch of the law about how you guys entered my apartment.
Doors locked. Okay.
And I'm going to go all the way forward with it. Believe me. He had no right to go into my apartment.
Just so you can verify,
Correct.
keys are still here.
Yeah. And trust me, I am going to investigate this whole thing about how he entered my apartment.
Following the incident, the man was released and assigned a court date of November 9th. As for the female suspect, who officers discovered had multiple outstanding warrants for her arrest, no further information regarding her case has been released. As always, all individuals are presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law. Let me know what you thought about the officers' handling of this situation in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more police body cam footage.